Hello, Dumelang, Sanbonani, Molueni, and a warm welcome to the Maths Genius video tutorial series brought to you by SABC Education. In these tutorials, we help you unleash the mathematical genius in you by showing you key mathematical concepts and how you can master them for success like a true genius.
Today we're going to be talking about sets and focusing on mutually exclusive sets. So as the name says it, mutually exclusive. You know, like a mutual feeling is that I feel this way for you and you feel the same for me. And to exclude is to say, I am not including you. And if it's mutual now, that means that the other set is saying, I don't include you. The other set is saying, I don't include you. So that means that there is exclusion from both sides. Let's see in a diagram. Let's say you've got a set A and you've got a set B. So in this case, we're saying that A is on its own. It's excluding B because they are not meeting anywhere. And then B is on its own. It's excluding A because they are not meeting. Let's say you have a friend, you have a party and you don't invite your friend. That means that you have excluded your friend. And then your friend has a party and they exclude you. So that means what has happened is that you have mutually excluded each other. So whenever you hear of mutually exclusive sets, you know that this one is excluding, the other is also excluding. You've excluded each other. That means that when it comes to parties, you and your friend don't meet. Where you are, your friend is not there when it's a party. So there's no meeting. So mutual exclusivity, think of no meeting. That means that the intersection does not exist. It's an empty set. Like here, you know, there's an empty set. So mutual exclusivity means that the intersection is an empty set. You can write an empty set like this, or you can write it like that. So you're saying that these do not meet. The intersection is 0, right? So if somebody was to say, what is A union B, right? What is A union B? So I'll give you two mutually exclusive sets. I'll have this one is 10, 11, 12. That's A. B is 1, 2, 3. Now, these two sets are mutually exclusive. Why? Because they do not have a common element. If both of them had 10, then that means they were not mutually exclusive. But now, 1, 2, 3, and 10, 11, and 12, they don't meet anyway. So, A union B, in this case, would be, you take everything here, everything there. We're saying, what is the set of all those elements that are in A, O are in B, right? O. So O means uniting in mathematics, right? In sets. So we're going to take everything, let's unite everything. 12, 1, 2, 3. So this is our union. Now let's see the intersection now. A intersection B, meaning that what are those elements that are in A and are also in B? Of which this is and, right? And. You need to remember that intersection is what? Is and. So what's in A and also in B? Right, let's see. 10, is it there? No. 11, no. 12, no. So that means that these two sets are mutually exclusive and the intersection is an empty set. So we write it like that or like that. Now you have shown that these two sets are mutually exclusive. So think of examples of mutually exclusive sets where if it's not in this set, if you're in this set, that means you can't be in the other set. Because you can't be in both. Think of examples that you can use and apply it in mathematics in sets. Thank you very much.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Unleash your mathematical genius today. If you have any maths questions, you can post them for free on www.mathsgenius.co.za or email them to info@mathsgenius.co.za.